Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play Diablo 4 on your Android smartphone. And to do this, first you will need to get the Steam Link app on your smartphone, then open it. Next is to get the Steam on your PC. Right here we can click Add Game, then add non-Steam game and find the Diablo 4 and simply add it to your list. Then search for it in your library. And now we can move on to our smartphone, and here you need to go for the settings, then select computer and click and connect to one of your computers that has the Diablo setup. And also they will need to be connected to the same network. Make sure that it has a very good speed to get the better results. So now let's click on that computer, and here we can click on start playing. You will need to give the same pin on an Android smartphone to the one here in authorized device. There's a quick tutorial, and now we can find the Diablo 4. Select it and then click on play. You can add any controller to your device to help you with that process. Now the game launches and you can start playing. In this case there's a queue, so I'm not gonna wait for that, or actually it's 1 minute, so let's just wait. Select your character and click on start game. Let's click on this three dots to change the input, because we want to go for this layout controls like that, and I prefer the mouse trackpad. From here you can set up any controls and the game should work fine. Just experiment with it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.